This song is about getting Venmo requested $2 after the function for one beer.
Well, they nickel and dime me clean. My babe billed me for gasoline. I just got a request from someone I know for the one beer I drank tonight. Well, you've had mine too many times, and I'm not shelling out for one Miller Lite. Oh, fuck no, and there's the door. I've seen cheap guys like you before, tighter than bark on the tree. Well, if you need it that damn bad, I'll send you $2. I'll be glad, but that's the last time that you'll hear from me.